Pythagoras theorem is one of the important theorems that we will see, and now we are going to discuss how to prove Pythagoras theorem. If we observe here, this is a right angle triangle, and in this right angle triangle we are considering a square that is constructed on one side of the right triangle, and another square is constructed on the second side, and now the third side on the hypotenuse also one square is constructed. The interesting thing that we can observe here is when you rearrange these squares, the area of this square is equal to area of this rectangle, and area of this square is equal to area of this rectangle. Now you can observe that every time sum of areas of these two is equal to sum of areas of these two, that is area of the square on the hypotenuse. Just you can see how will it change. Right now you observe, if I increase the area of the red square, naturally area of the rectangle which is red in color is also decreasing. On the other side, if we increase this to the other side, like when area of red is increasing, here also this is increasing and green is decreasing. So every time the values are changing, and ultimately just you can see now the total area is a fixed one which is always equal to. So from this you can observe that sum of areas of the squares constructed on the two sides is always equal to the area of the square on the hypotenuse. This is one way of proving this. Of course, there are so many interesting proofs related to this. Now I am going to show you one more visual proof which is quite interesting. Now let us see. We know that the statement of the Pythagoras theorem is the square of hypotenuse is equal to sum of squares of the other two sides in a right angle triangle. So we are considering a right angle triangle. The two squares on the sides are a square and b square, and hypotenuse is c square. So we have to prove a square plus b square is equal to c square. We considered a right angle triangle, and the hypotenuse we have c square. So the same triangle is congruent triangles are made, and the shape is arranged. Now we are rearranging the triangles. Just observe. After rearranging, what happens here? If we move them, here we get the two squares can be accommodated there. And now we are removing the three triangles from this. Now you can see what happens here. It is quite interesting. So this is a right angle triangle with the c square on one side, and the other triangle contains a square and b square. That because the triangles are congruent, when we place them one over the other, we get a square plus b square is equal to c square. This is one more way of proof for understanding Pythagoras theorem. Okay, thank you students.